So hey, what's up, hog hunters? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood. We got a quick little video for you today. Something pretty cool happened while we were trying to shoot another video, but no worries. Video at 11 o'clock on Sunday, as usual. NIMROD, Fish and Wildlife Association. We're up there over the weekend. Those guys are great. We love them. Catching big rainbows. That'll be out Sunday. In the meantime, we hope you enjoy this beautiful fish that we just happened to hook up to this morning. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell, y'all. Get to 1,000 subscribers, giving away that dragon's egg and that Chad Powell special, Damascus Steel. If you haven't seen it, one of the previous videos, we'll give you a look at it here at the end of this one. And thanks again for checking us out. Y'all probably seen this hole before, but this is roundabout where he sits. And we have no idea. The water's deep, it gets deep, and we can't see him, but we know he's up here. Maybe this murky water give us an unseen advantage, or at least the advantage of being unseen. There we go. That's a decent cast. That's where he'd be roaming at in there too. And we don't know. We can't see anything. We know there's fish in here. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. I got one. It's a little bit of a husker. Fish on. Can't see him. Can you all see him? Oh, I got him. Oh no, I didn't. It's just a rainbow. But he look. It's a nice, beautiful brown trout. Wow, y'all. First brown I've ever caught up here. Wait till you see this guy. He is gorgeous. He is gorgeous. Wow, look at that, y'all. Oh my God. Look at this guy. Wow, y'all, I wish I would have got a better picture for you, but we wanted to make sure he lived. Took it right on the lip. That guy was worth it. What a beautiful brown. Wow. There it is. We didn't end up getting a palomino this time yet, but we will get him. We'll be back up there. We're actually shooting a video. It's a process video, obviously, because you can't guarantee when you're gonna catch the fish, but we got some in the bank for this golden rainbow when we do finally catch them. And that brown trout was gorgeous, man. First brown trout I ever caught up there on the Quiddy. And as I said before, that's pretty much our home creek from here on out, that Quidville. It ain't far from the new place, and beautiful water and beautiful fish. So stay motivated, keep it tight. Remember, like, subscribe, share, hit that bell. Check out Chad Powell on Facebook. Oh yeah. This is what his work looks like. There it is. That's the rainbow trout version right there with that Damascus Steel. I'll put that link on Facebook. Thanks again, NIMROD, Fish and Wildlife Association. Y'all are awesome, awesome. Love coming up there. I'll be back soon. That video will be out Sunday. If you guys get a chance, check them out on Facebook. Link down below. And join the club, $30 a year, and they put LUNKERS in. Y'all see them in a couple days. Single Hook Hogs out.